Okay, I've got everything pretty much cut in. I just probably should do along here too, huh? I see a little on the back side of this that looks like it's cracked or something, so I'm just going to put a little stuff on there. I think that's okay. So even though I have just this 2-inch paintbrush, it goes on fine. Now I guess I can put it in my paint tray. I got that swept out. That's probably plenty. But hey, I got more. I need enough at least for 2 coats on the floor. And you know, I thought I was going to have enough with just buying one more paint can or one more gallon of this. And this is my 2nd gallon. And that's what the stuff I was using. I am using Durabright White Elastomeric Roof Coating, and this is number 587 from Henry's. This was $25 a gallon, a little less than 26 bucks a gallon, and they had some stuff that was like over $50 a gallon, and then some other that was 70 bucks a gallon. $70 a gallon? Yeah, so I thought, phooey on that. I'm not gonna use that. I'm just gonna use this $25 a gallon stuff. Oh, they're after me again. And I'm using a 6-inch. I'm using a 6-inch mini roller cover, and it's 3/4 inch nap. I thought that would be thick enough to put it on here. Hey, come on. The idea is to get it on there thick, but again, you can only get it on so thick. That's why I want to put on 2 more coats instead of just 1. Really got to be aware of where I step. I don't get it all over. Now they put this on roofs that already have a roof on it. Instead of tearing it off, put this stuff on there on a flat tar roof or something like that. It's for new roofs too. I can see how this stuff is kind of sticky. It's like wallpaper paste almost. Now I'm getting over close to where I put it on with my paintbrush, so I got to be careful with that. Because if I go over too far, from right about here, if I go over too far, it might want to start lifting up that other stuff that I put on there, or pull some of it off that I just tried to build up over there. Mash down some of it, see? So that's the last thing I want to do. I'm trying to put it on, not take it off. And I'm just using my 6-inch mini roller. It's fine. Because it's such a small area, if this was a big roof, of course I wouldn't be using that. I'd be using a 9-inch roller. I'd probably invest in a 12-inch roller. And then I would use like a 1-inch nap or 1.25-inch nap. Something like that. Now I'm going to have to come back here. And that's why I've left this cardboard down this whole time. I set my tools on here before I start working, and just, you know, it's protecting the concrete pavers that are still here, you know. And I just had a moving box, and I took it, opened it up, folded it out. Boy, this stuff looks sticky. Looks nice and sticky, and that's fine. That tells me it's going to really stick good to the last layer that I put down here. And hey, if I have to get another gallon at the store to finish up, I will. But I've probably got a quarter of a gallon left for the next coat that I'm going to put on here. I'm going to end up doing that today. This stuff should take a few hours depending on weather conditions. I want it nice and dry before I put the next coat on, so I can walk on it without me sinking down through it. Just because if it's dry on top doesn't mean it's dry underneath, so you got to kind of check that out before you start walking on it and stuff. And I don't know if you saw me put the first few coats on. If you did, thanks again for watching this. I never really know what I'm going to say next on a video. And it might be something that I didn't say last time. Something that you can catch a tip from. And I was like, before I put this coat on, I thought, well, should I make a video of this? I've already done it once. I thought, well, I might as well, because I never know what I'm going to say. So there you have it. Okay, there's my next coat. Look at that. It took almost everything that I poured in there. And what am I going to do with this now? It's all wet. Am I going to rinse this out 2 hours from now? No, I'm not. I'm going to show you what to do with it next, okay? This is important. Yeah, I know it's ready. I'm ready to go in. My hands are cold, my feet are cold, the breeze is out, the sun is on the other side of the hills, and I'm just not going to work anymore today. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.